Hi, I'm Jess, and this is the Graphic Design Senior Studio. As a graphic design major, there are two studios that are primarily used for all your classes. There's the sophomore and junior one, and then there's the senior one. You also sometimes have classes in the basement, which is just a bunch of computer labs. There's three Mac computer labs down there and one PC computer lab down there for the interior design majors, because mostly everyone else uses Mac. We're a very Mac-based campus. And what's nice as a senior is that we get a key to the studio, which is not the case in previous years. And so we can let ourselves in and out of the studio as we please during the hours that the campus is open. It's also nice that we pretty much get our own computer our senior year, and we get our own space. So a lot of people keep their supplies here. As you can see around the studio, certain people have more supplies and certain people have different types of supplies, paints and microns and stuff like that, that they actually keep in this room now instead of having to lug it in their backpack or their supply box. Which is very, very nice. And it's nice that we can use the corkboards now, because that's usually used as crit space in your sophomore and junior year. So in this room there are printers. This is the black and white printer, and on the other side is the color printer. We also have an Epson printer, which is better, not technically better, but it's an inkjet rather than laser, so it's better printing quality, especially when you're doing package design and stuff like that, when you have to fold things that you've printed. There's also this nice window view, which lets you see exactly how close we are to some of the museums. That is the Franklin Institute of Technology, and you can't see it from these windows, but right about there is the free library. It's a little bit too bright out for this camera to adjust to that, but we're very close to a lot of things. We're also close to the Academy of Natural Sciences. It's actually our next door neighbor that you can't see through the window. Alright, so that's the senior studio.